The African Astronomical Society. We are exhibiting at the National Science Week launch here in Pretoria at Tshwane University of Technology. Here at our stand we have the different brochures. Most importantly, we have this brochure which gives you an overview of what we do as a society, and then here is a brochure which shows all the different careers in astronomy that learners that we're going to be talking to can follow. And then we always encourage young people to start their own science clubs. So this brochure basically explains how they can go about that process. And then we always tell them that if they need any help in terms of the resources when it comes to starting their science club, they can always contact us. So as you can see, we have the Galileo scopes and the solar eclipse glasses. This book is similar to this one. It gives you an overview of APHIS. And yeah, this is just like an activity book. And so Astronomy is the main office is based at the South African Astronomical Observatory, but it's mainly involved in the coordination of partnerships between the BRICS nations, particularly on astronomy, which is one of the key focus areas for the BRICS Astronomy Working Group. And we have a number of societal benefit activities linked to our flagship project, which is called the BRICS Intelligent Telescope and Data Network. So the societal benefit engagements involve some hackathons, some data analytics training, some outreach activities in school, development of some educational material, and some various trainings with graduates as well as with teachers.
We are a facility of the National Research Foundation, and we are here to talk about the research and the infrastructure and developments that are currently happening in South Africa, with CEREO basically being custodian and the one that manages and develops these dishes for studying all of the phenomena of interest out in the universe. And we're here today celebrating National Science Week 2025 launch at the Tshwane University of Technology. We've been engaging various members of the public, school groups, and of course various other interest groups. Currently there's also an activity and a formal session happening at the hall where the minister was addressing all of the participants and contributors at this launch today. We are here as colleagues to share as much information and as many resources as we have about the wonderful work being done out in the Northern Cape. That is where the bulk of the research is.